Hi guys, in this video, if you have a black screen issue with your iPhone, well, the first thing you want to do is to ensure that your phone is on. If it is not on, then your phone probably needs charging. So you want to ensure that your phone is charged and that you have a black screen. Once you don't have any physical damage to the screen, then we can do a force restart. Volume, you want to do volume down and power button. When you see the logo, you release. And that's the number one way how you can fix it. As you can see, the device is on. The other way you can fix the black screen issue is to do it with the charger in. So that's the volume down, the power button with the lightning cable plugged in. And the third method in which you want to try to do this is to hold all the buttons together. So we do this. You hold all the buttons together. And when you see the logo, you release all the buttons. I am also going to show you another method how to fix this as well, right? But you will need to download a software. There are many different softwares that you can use, but there is a software that you can use to also fix your black screen issue. So let me just connect my lightning cable to my computer. So guys, I am going to connect my lightning cable to my computer and I am going to show you. The cable is connected now. Okay guys, so this software which I'm using is 3U Tools, right? You can see the Apple iPhone is connected. So there are a lot of different functions and features in which you can use with this software. Yeah, I am not being paid to talk about this software or anything, but I use this software and it's very helpful at times, right? So what you want to do here, it will show you all the information that you need, that you will see on your iPhone. But however, you can reboot your iPhone here, and when you reboot your iPhone, this as well can help you if you have a black screen. So after I hit reboot, you can see that the phone is rebooting. So if you have a black screen and you're having problem with the force restart, or if you have a defective power button or a defective volume button, this is another method. This is another method you can use to fix the black screen issue with your iPhone 14 and 14 Plus. So guys, my name is Lens and I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.